Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start assessing cybersecurity skills with Skillsoft, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Skillsoft website. Log in to your Skillsoft account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the cybersecurity section from the main menu. Here, you will find a variety of courses and resources related to cybersecurity skills. Select a course that aligns with the skills you want to assess. After selecting the course, review the course description and objectives. Look for any prerequisites or recommended knowledge for the course. Click on the course to start. You will see an overview page with an option to begin the assessment. Choose the assessment option to gauge your current skills. The assessment will typically consist of multiple choice questions, scenarios, or practical tasks. Answer each question to the best of your ability. Once you complete the assessment, you will receive immediate feedback. Review your results to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Take note of any topics you found challenging. After evaluating your results, go back to the course materials. Focus on the sections that correspond to the skills you need to enhance. Utilize any supplementary resources, such as videos or articles, provided with the course. You may also explore additional assessments to further gauge your progress. Continue practicing until you feel confident in your cybersecurity skills. Schedule time for regular assessments to track your improvement over time. Engaging with the content consistently will ensure you stay updated on cybersecurity trends and techniques. Now you're ready to effectively assess and enhance your cybersecurity skills using Skillsoft. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.